Today is Friday and it's only 1:20. Naghihintay ako ng 1:30 kasi may company meeting kami. Maaga akong nagising ngayon para maka-attend ako ng meeting. Pero okay lang kasi may pampagising tayo. And today is movie night. Kaya nag-request yung mga bata ng Spider-Man. Kaya ayan, panoorin natin.
Of sound in time for
Mexico on the day that they all up. When we start this event.
I think the doctor can change the commencement date to tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the kids and my ayuda for the month. We're going to watch Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Parties, weddings, celebrations, or your next meeting. There is always a reason to meet.
Yes. You like it? Let's look for pagkainan. Food. Let's look for food. Ay, wag kang matulog.